I remember the day when I got my first salary. I was happy and all cheered up. I called up my friends and decided to have a blast. We enjoyed a lot. After 4 days, my salary was over. I was worried about the next 26 days. Lastly, I went to my dad and asked for few extra bucks. After that, I started thinking about the ways to make more money. The book Copycat Marketing 101 by Burke Hedges talks about formula and methods to create wealth. An average millionaire has 7 sources of income, and job is only one source of income. According to a data, 95% people aren't getting ahead financially. They are just getting by. Among the remaining 5%, only 1% have true wealth. This makes one thing very clear. We are copycats. We copy each other. In school, we learn to read and write by copying letters. We copy the language we speak, the food we eat, the way we walk, and the way we dress. But why haven't we found a way to copycat creating wealth? The answer is we copycat the job track and instead of wealth creation track. Most people assume that a job is the only way to financial freedom. They don't believe there are other sources of income, or they don't think they are capable of creating wealth by working outside the job routine. Job creates temporary income instead of true wealth. True wealth is having enough money and time to do what you want and when you want. Bill Gates has created true wealth and not just income. In one word, true wealth is freedom. Time is the most important thing for all of us. A Chinese proverb says it best: better to throw all of your fortune down a deep well than to squander one moment of time. The top professional, such as engineer or lawyer, makes lot of money. But are they creating wealth? The simple answer is no. They trade time for making money. They are logged into their jobs. They are creating income but not wealth. With income creation, 10 hours of work equals 10 hours of pay. Whereas wealth creation is based on the concept of leverage. Leverage is putting your money and time to work for you. With leverage, 10 hours of work equals 100 hours of pay or even 1000. Leverage is all about utilizing one's time effectively. Whether a person is a billionaire or a beggar, we all have access to same amount of time. 24 hours in a day, 168 hours in a week, and 8064 hours in a year. Let us take an example of highly paid professional such as engineer and a CEO of a company. An engineer follows 50-50 rule. He works 50 hours a week for 50 weeks in a year for 50 years and retires on 50%. This is a clear example of linear growth. The math to linear growth is simple. Hourly wage into number of hours is equal to income. In layman's term, that means you get what you put in, nothing more and nothing less. On the other hand, CEO of a company leverages his time and talents through his employees. He doesn't earn 100% from his single effort, but little bit from the efforts of a whole bunch of people. This is it. Leverage is the way to create wealth. But we all can't become the CEO of a company. As an average person, we need other methods to create wealth. The best part is, today we have different methods to use leverage. Leverage through franchising. The key to become a successful franchisor is to develop a successful system and then record what needs to be done in detail so that the model can be taught to somebody else. The perfect example of franchising is McDonald's. You go to any part of the world, McDonald's logo, design, and French fries are same. Another method of leveraging is compounding. Once, Albert Einstein said, compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. Compounding is the wealth creation principle on which share market and banking industry runs. With the help of compounding, you can turn your meager savings into small fortunes. Compounding gives rise to exponential growth. Exponential growth enables the money to grow in multiples instead of growing in a measured step-by-step process. Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest man, is the classic example of how you can use compounding to build a fortune. There is another affordable duplicate concept that combines franchising with exponential growth. It's called network marketing. The networking company supports its distributors by offering quality products, marketing techniques, and educational materials. Your success depends on your ability to duplicate. Let's assume you are a network marketer. You taught your skills to 6 independent distributors. Now, each of these 6 distributors taught the skills to other 6 distributors, and so on down the line. This will lead to exponential growth. You will be part of any profit